All right, everybody, CryptoVin here, CryptoVin YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, much appreciated. Going to be doing a quick tutorial video today on how to add Baby PengolinCoin to the DexScreener app, available for your Apple iPhone on iOS. Go to the Apple Store, download DexScreener. I'll leave a link in the description of the video for you. Come down to the bottom of the page, you'll see search. Click on that. Copy and paste Baby PengolinCoin's contract address in the box there, and up pops Baby PengolinCoin. I'll leave the contract address in the description of the video for you too, guys. Click on Baby PengolinCoin, and you can see all the statistics here. You can add it to your watch list. You can trade it on PancakeSwap right from the app, guys. So you scroll down to the bottom, and on the very bottom of the screen, you're going to see chart and transactions. And you can see, you can get the chart and you can get the transactions there, or you can just look at the chart. And to the right, you can see just transactions. So it has everything you need right here on the on your iPhone. You can carry it around with you. You don't have to go to your desktop or laptop every time you want to see what's going on with Baby PengolinCoin or trade, buy some Baby PengolinCoin. Hey, if you own Baby PengolinCoin now, consider adding liquidity. We need more, as you can see by the warning there. And you can just add it right to the PancakeSwap liquidity pool. And I did a video on that too. I'll leave it here for you so you can check that out as well. All right, appreciate you watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, share. Much appreciated. We'll see you on the next video.